In today's video, I'll be showing you how to install PHP for your Windows PC. If you're using a Windows PC, come close, let me show you how to do that. So you head over to your browser and go to this link. The link will be in the description below. So once you go to the link, you click on it to open. So that is a place for downloading PHP. So for those that want to program in PHP, so I'm using a Windows PC. So you just scroll down to the place where you see VS17 S64, the trade save. That's the one we're going to be downloading the zip file. So what you just need to do is to click on the zip. So just click on zip to download it. So it start downloading now. If you could see it at the top, it's rolling. So once it download, the next thing we need to do after downloading it, we'll go to the next step of extracting it. So it has downloaded. So what we need to do is to extract. So just click on that place. Once you click on that place to go to the file, then you would right click on it. So you right click on it, then you click on extract all. So once you click on extract all, click on extract. So it's extracting. So it will open like this. All you need to do is just to go back to download. So once you go back to download, just click on there, right click on it and click on copy. So you click on copy. So once you copy it, head over to your local disk, then go to program, look for program files, open the program files, then paste the copied file you've copied, the extracted copy file, just paste it there. So once you paste it there, allow it to finish. So it is done. So what I need to do is just to scroll down, look for it and rename it. So I will rename it. So what I'll just do is I'll just delete all of that to the point of the 4. That's where I'll stop. So that's where I'll stop. Then once I've done that, I'll click outside of it so that it will be saved. So it has been saved. Then I'll open it. So once I open it, I'll copy the file path, the place you see me putting my mouse. I'll click on it, then I'll Ctrl C to copy the file path. So once I copy the file path, what I need to do is I'll need to search for environment variable. So I'll go to search and I'll search for environment variable. So once I search for environment variable, I'll open it. So once it opens, I will click on environment variable under the system variable. I'll look for where you see path. Then I'll click on edit. Then I'll click on new. Then I'll paste the path URL I copied. I'll paste it, then I'll click on OK. Then I'll click on OK. Then I'll click on OK again. Then how do I confirm if this has been successfully installed? I'll go to search again and search for CMD, which is command prompt. So once I search for command prompt, I'll click on open. Then I'll write this PHP. I'll give a space, then dash dash, then I'll write version. I'll click on enter. Then it will show me the version of PHP that I've installed. So thank you very much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and also share this with your friends. And if you have any question, you can use the comment section to tell me your question, and feel free to always reach out to me or any technical support. Bye.